Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I am making a Valentine's Day themed card. Making a lot of Valentine's Day themed cards this month for the senior citizens project I'm working on next month. So the dies I'm using in this video, I'm using this one. They all come from Alina Craft store. I'm using some Nouveau Crystal drops to also go with this sparkly glitter. I'm also going to use a perler pen to accent some details in the die. I'm using some Versamark ink to emboss the stamp along with some Whispers Pearl embossing powder. I'm going to use this Happy Valentine's Day stamp from Just Right and 110-pound weight cardstock, some metallic poster board from Hobby Lobby, and then some layering cardstock and an embossing folder that's a rose theme. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished card. I hope you enjoyed this process video. I think it turned out wonderful. I know it looks more like a wedding card. I tried to put some little flowers in her hair. That's what that represents. And has really like some elegant glitter in her dress. Some little pearls on the side. And it's red, black, white, and silver. So it could be an anniversary card too, but I thought it would look nice for Valentine's Day. So take care, everyone. I'm going to put some pictures at the end. Have a fabulous day.